Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is GSM based energy meter reading system and load control using Arduino. So in this project we are using an Arduino Uno R3 GSM SIM 800L we are using, and those are connected with RX TX 0 and 1. So here we are using two relay coil to operate the AC bulbs, relay 1 and relay 2, SPDT relay, single pole double throw relay. Purpose of the relay is to switch on switch off the lights and bulbs and lights. Energy meter pulse it's sent to fifth pin. So 16 cross to LCD display, it is connected with RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using AC energy meter. So the output it's given to the relay coils. So two bulbs for bulbs and lights, both are same. So we given as a app. In that app we are described as a bulb one on, bulb one off, bulb two on, bulb two off. So in this edit button, so lights, so we specified some name called bulbs and lights, like that only. So all devices on, all devices off, edit button, all devices on. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED, Arduino Uno R3, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. So here we are using GSM modem SIM 800L. It will send the alert to the particular mobile number which was stored on the Arduino board. Okay, so we got the alerts like bulb on, how much power you used, so how many units, bulb on, bulb 2 on, lights on, like that. Okay, so GSM SIM 800L. So here two relay coil, SPDT relay. Purpose of the relay is to switch on and switch off the LC bulbs. Okay, so open the app. Now let's start with power supply. GSM based energy meter with load control, GSM testing, connected, echo, finding network finding, test messages deleted. Okay, okay. Now press open SMS app and press the buttons. So now we need to open the app. So we need to start the bulbs. Okay, so bulbs on, so we are pressing the button. Okay, so the bulb should be on, two bulbs are on, so two or at a time will on. Okay, two bulbs on. So that status is bulb 1 on success, like this is one device called bulb 1 on success. So let's go for bulb. Okay, so bulb 2, like we given as a name called bulb 2 on or lights on. So these two will be on. Yeah, these two is on. So we received one SMS, so we will wait for some time. So bulb 2 is on, so let's call as a bulb 1 and bulb 2. Okay, so why we are taking four bulbs means, so we need to consume the power. So it will send the energy meter will consume the power. So it will give the pulse count to the Arduino. After 1000 counts, so we wrote a program like so one pulse, three pulse, so like that it will send the SMS to the particular mobile number. This much of energy is consumed, you need to pay the amount. So we will wait for the interrupts which was given to Arduino board. Once the interrupts are came, so we will get the alerts. So after getting the message, we will switch off the bulbs. So wait for one. we will receive one SMS. Once we receive the SMS, we can switch off the lights and bulbs. Okay, so 10 units consumed, one pulse came, so 10 units consumed, please place 20 rupees. Okay, so now we are going for bulb to off, then we are giving the lights off, so these two will be off. Yeah, bulb to off, success. Okay, but these are on. Okay, so we received another SMS, so you need to pay 30 rupees, like that SMS will come. All devices on, all devices all command is also there. Okay, bulb to off, success. So like this, 30 rupees. Okay, 70 rupees, like that we will receive another message here. GSM SIM 800L, power supply, Arduino Uno R3, energy meter, bulbs, 15-watt bulbs. Okay, not came. Okay, these bulbs are now, we will receive another SMS alert. So this SPDT relay, 5 volts relay coil. After continuous 3 pulse, we will receive another message. So you consumed 20 units, so you have to pay like this much of amount you need to pay. So after that we will switch off. Yeah, 30 units consumed, please pay the bill, 60 rupees. Okay, so now let's go for energy meter, bulb 1 off, bulb 1 off. Okay, so after that you won't receive any message alert because all lights we are off. So after that you won't receive any SMS alert. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded. Okay, bulb 2 off, success. Thank you.